Right now on DIY Gourmet, we're slicing chicken breast. And if you want perfect, uniform chicken slices for even cooking every time, then let's get into it. First, your infrastructure. Gloves on, color-coded cutting board for raw poultry to prevent cross-contamination. Sharp chef's knife is a must. Your tools dictate your results. Take your trimmed breast. We aren't chopping straight down. We're slicing on the bias, meaning at an angle. You want to start right down here at the lower tip. Angle your blade and pull back smoothly. We're aiming for a standard 1 centimeter slice. Let the edge do the work as you march up towards the plump upper portion of the breast. Keep that rhythm. Follow it all the way up until you leave just the small nub at the end. Look at that consistency. Even slices mean perfectly even heat distribution in the pan. No fluff, no filler, just skills that stick. Check the description for links to the exact tools and gear I'm using today. If you want to support the lab and get deeper into the curriculum, click the join button below to become a channel member. Smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.